Good morning class. Today I want to describe about pair of linear equation in two variables for class 10th. Exercise 3.5 question number 4 part first. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Firstly I want to describe about form of pair of linear equation in two variables. Because you can ask question to me what is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is new for you, so you can ask question very easily. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. You can solve your question by two methods. First geometrical method, second algebraical methods. Geometrical method shows three systems. First consistent system, second inconsistent system, third consistent dependent system. It is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it shows intersecting line and consistent system and unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it shows parallel line and inconsistent system and no solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it shows coincident line and consistent dependent system and infinitely many solutions. It is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Now I want to describe about algebraical method. There are three types of algebraical method. First substitution method, second elimination method, third cross multiplication method. You can solve your question very easily by the help of substitution method or elimination method or cross multiplication method. It is very easy, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget like, subscribe and share. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. See the board. Pair of linear equation in two variable for class 10 exercise 3.5. Question number 4. Form the pair of linear equation in following problems and find their solution if they exist by any algebraic method. By any algebraic methods. There are three types of algebraic method: substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. You can solve by any algebraic methods. Clear? Question first. A part of monthly hostel charges is fixed. Part of monthly hostel charges is fixed. It means here a fixed charge. Clear? And the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. It is clear? Here two types of charges. First fixed charge, second additional charge for taking food. Clear? When a student A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay Rs 1000 as hostel charges. A student A take foods 20 days and pay 1000 Rs 1000 hostel charges. Whereas a student B who takes food for 26 days. Student B take food for 26 days and pays Rs 1180 as hostel charges. Find fixed charges and the cost of food per day. It means you find fixed charge and additional charge for food. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It is very easy. See the let fixed charge equal to x. Let fixed charge equal to x and additional charge equal to y. Additional charge equal to y. Fixed charge x, additional charge for food. Here you can write for food. For food equal to y. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. According to question and according to first situation, student A takes food for 20 days and paid Rs 1000. Clear? According to first situation, x plus 20y equal to 1000 equation. According to first situation, x plus 20 days equal to 1000 or x here 1000, you can write it on left side of equal. X plus 20y minus 1000 equal to 0 equation. You find equation first by the help of first situation. Clear? According to second situation, according to second situation, here second situation, student B who takes food 26 days and pays Rs 1180. X plus 26y equal to 1180 equation second. It is equation second according to second situation. Clear? You can write here 1180 on left side of equal. It become x plus 26y minus 1180 equal to 0. Equation second. Here it is equation second. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now subtract equation first from equation second. Subtract equation first from equation second. Clear? Here it is equation first and it is equation second. X plus 26y minus 1180 equal to 0. Equation second. X plus 20y minus 1000 equal to 0. Equation first. Draw a line and change its sign. Here plus so you write minus. Here plus so you write minus. Here minus so you write plus. It is clear? Now you can cut it. Here plus x and minus x. You can cut it. Here plus 26y. Here minus 20y. You can subtract it. It become 6y. Here 11 minus 1180 and here plus 1000. So you subtract it. It become minus 180 equal to 0. Here you can write minus 180 on right side of equal. It become 6y equal to 180. Y equal to, you can cut it. Here 6 1 ja 6, 6 3 ja, here 80. So y equal to 30. You find y equal to 30 rupees. It is clear, no confusion about it. Y equal to 30 rupees. It is additional charges. It means it is charges of food per day. Clear? Now put y equal to 30 in equation. Put y equal to 30 in equation first or second. You can put in any equation. Clear? First in equation first. Equation first is x plus 20y minus 1000 equal to 0. It is equation first. Put y equal to 30. X plus 20 multiply 30 minus 1000 equal to 0. Clear? It become x plus 20 multiply 30 equal to 600. 3 2 ja 620. 600 minus 1000 equal to 0. You subtract it. It become x minus 400 equal to 0. Clear? Here plus 600, here minus 1000. Subtract, you find minus 400. You can write minus 400 on the right side of equal. It become x equal to 400 rupees. 400 rupees. You find the value of y equal to 30 and the value of x equal to 400. Clear? Hence fixed charges. Charge equal to x equal to 400 rupees. Fixed charge equal to x equal to 400. And here cost of food per day and cost of food per day equal to additional charges. Charges equal to y equal to 30 rupees. You find your answer very easily and you solve your question. Clear? In this way you can solve any question very easily and you can find your answer very easily. Clear? No confusion about it. Solution is clear. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear. No confusion about it? Very good. Okay.